I'm gonna plant a couple different seeds. I know it's still a little bit early. I'm just getting so anxious. I'm sure a lot of you are as well. We are in mid-February. We're past our frost, so kind of just waiting to get going a little bit and get some stuff in the ground. Just have a ton of lettuce right now, and tomatoes are coming very quickly. But I'd really like to get a couple other things in the ground and get experimenting with a few things. So let me show you what I have put together. Eek. So I kind of put together a little chart here. I don't know if I'm going to stick to this exactly, but I pulled out everything in here that does really well in our summers. And I've got a couple extra ones. I've got some bush beans right now that I'm harvesting a few off of, so I want to get a couple more planted so I can get some more fresh beans because they're awesome. But anyways, okra is not going to be able to go in at least until probably April. And then somebody just gave me these sunflowers when I bought some seeds, so we'll throw a couple of those in and get some pretty sunflowers. My husband's allergic, so it's probably going to be a tease for him because he does love sunflower seeds. But can't have them. First, you're going to do corn. I'm very excited. I got peaches and cream corn, and then I went and bought some sweet corn, and then I realized it's peaches and cream. So I'm going to have quite a bit of peaches and cream. I've got a sugar baby watermelon because I don't have a big yard, as you guys know. So I'm really excited to have a little watermelon. Still trying to find 100% where I'm going to put this. I got some New Zealand spinach, which is going to do really well during our summer. Some red stem malvar. It's very pretty. It's not my favorite spinach. It's pretty good. Puts off some nice berries, and it's pretty. We'll also do some amaranth. And then for tomatoes, I do the Everglades. As you guys know, I already have a lot of those. We're going to do a yellow pear in some hanging baskets, a black cherry. I got a couple eggplants, a piccolo eggplant, and then just a early long purple, and then royal bush bean. Excited to do this one along with, this is like just a green bush bean. These are the ones I've been harvesting, and they're the ones that I'm going to plop a couple more in the ground. I just put in some dragon tongues, so I'm really excited to get going with those, as well as a pole bean. I'll put these in a couple different areas. Some cucumber lemon, and a regular cucumber is in this one. And then my zucchini, it's still a little too early for that. I tried putting it in the hydroponic. It's just sitting there. It's still a little too chilly. They like to be 75, 80, which we are during the day, but we're definitely not during the evening. So again, just getting a little anxious about all this. So what I'm going to do now is put a couple of things of corn in some containers and try to get those started at least to see how they're going to do. I know it's still a little bit early, but I'm going to try to see if I can't get a first harvest and then maybe do a second round. And then what else? Oh, I'm going to plant a couple more eggplants in the hydroponic, see how they do. I just planted one out of the hydroponic into the ground, so I always like to have a backup. And then yeah, so we'll show you the progress on the dragon tongue. Nothing's come up yet. I just planted them, I think, 2 days ago, so we'll see. Supposedly they're a very quick sprouter, so I will let you know.